all about sensitive skincare. Sensitive skincare is governed by a few basic rules. However, even before we delve into the rules for sensitive skincare, it's important to understand what a sensitive skin is. Sensitive skin is one which is unable to tolerate any unfavorable conditions, environmental, and which easily gets irritated on contact with foreign materials, including skincare products. For this reason, some products are especially labeled as sensitive skincare products. The degree of sensitivity can, however, vary from person to person, and depending on that, the sensitive skincare procedures vary too. Generally, all skin types respond negatively to detergents and other chemical-based products. However, the damage starts generally beyond a defined threshold, or tolerance level. This tolerance level is very low for sensitive skin types, leading to skin getting damaged very easily and quickly. Sensitive skincare products either avoid the potential irritants or keep them at very low concentrations. Here are a few tips for sensitive skincare. Use sensitive skincare products only, i.e., the products that are marked for sensitive skincare only. Also, check the notes on the product to see if there are specific restrictions or warnings associated with the product. Even within the range of sensitive skincare products, choose the one that has minimum preservatives, colorings, and other additives. Do not use toners. Most of them are alcohol-based and are not recommended for sensitive skin. Wear protective gloves when doing laundry or other chemical-based cleaning. If you are allergic to rubber, you can wear cotton gloves below the rubber ones. Another important tip for sensitive skincare is to avoid excessive exposure to sun. Apply sunscreen lotion before getting out in the sun. Avoiding exposure to dust and other pollutants is also important for sensitive skincare. So, cover yourself adequately before going out. Use hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic moisturizer as a sensitive skincare product, if there is none specifically labeled as a sensitive skincare product. Use soap-free and alcohol-free cleansers. Cleanse your face whenever you return from spending time outdoors. Do not scrub or exfoliate too hard. It can cause reddishness and even inflammation. Do not leave the makeup on for too long. Use hypoallergenic makeup removers. So, sensitive skincare is very different from the normal skincare. Sensitive skincare is more about being careful with your skin, both in terms of sensitive skincare products and protection against environment's atrocities on skin,